I got one more.
Go ahead.
Sorry. When we started the class, it was very interesting how it started with like the way. Okay, how do I put this in this question? So the way you're able to know the like if you're doing bad or good is if you obviously study the Torah, because the paragraph we read, the first paragraph, it says a guardrail precaution, and then it goes into the I'm so sorry. I'm making a mix of words. I'm so sorry. It's saying like, oh, if you rob, it doesn't say that you're fated, but it says that God gives you a choice. And then it says like how it's similar. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so sorry. But it's so, how in the beginning of the paragraph it says how it's a guardrail. How, like in the Torah, your guardrail, and it tells you this is good and it's bad. And then, I don't know how to put it in the question. I'm trying to answer the question.
But okay, so let me. I think I understood that a little. You correct me if I am misunderstood. So basically, without Torah, there is no way for a person to be righteous, right? And it says in Perakim, the person who does not law cannot be Hasid. Hasid meaning a righteous person, so he does not know what to do. So Torah says put this guardrail. So why do I have to put this guardrail if it's only me and my family goes up to the roof, right? A person would say like nobody else is going to go up the roof, right? So why should I invest money? But they say because the falling is going to fall. A person, your neighbor, is going to climb on his roof. Maybe he's going to be a little drunk and he's going to, from his roof, he's going to climb on your roof, right? And he's going to fall from your side. And guess what? He was supposed to die because he was a Rasha, Mevasha, and it was he fell from your roof. And now you are responsible. You understand? So many things, like why would you... in my mind, it's people so arrogant. Like from the comments on our videos, you see how people arrogant, like they judge from I don't know from where. Yeah, you understand? So they say maybe Torah is wrong, maybe you are wrong. I say it's not me, it's Torah. So you dealing with Creator, not me. I'm just a parrot here. Don't get me involved in this. You understand? So Rambam said today that you have to take care of the whatever you can predict. So before we said about this spiritual things that you can predict, as we said today, right? You know this is bad company. Don't be there. So, but if you went, you're 100% responsible. And a person who goes to this company, right? Company meaning this all of the Lashon Hara speaking person, he's going to be responsible for the sin, like intentional sin, which is not so easy to to fix. You understand? Because here they put themselves in danger. Same with physical dangers. So don't be there. So it says you have to dress up in winter when it's cold. So you dress up in winter and when it's cold. It says that you have to eat don't eat spoiled food. Otherwise, like your stomach is going to get upset. So it means that you're not allowed. It's a Torah law and all of the other things. Okay.